Today I've got a daily energy flow routine for you. We'll start off with some deep belly breathing. So placing our hands on top of our belly, and we'll breathe in, allowing our belly to expand into our hands. And breathing out, allowing our belly to move back towards the spine. Breathing in. And out. In. And out. We'll do 2 more. In. And out. And last one, taking a deep breath in. Breathing out, allowing our belly to move back towards our spine, releasing our hands. Next, we'll do knocking on the door of life, so moving from our center, allowing our arms to gently knock across our body. Taking deep breaths at the same time. Giving ourselves a gentle energy boost for our day. And then we can start looking to the back of the room, including a nice stretch in our movement here. And then slowly coming back to the center. Next we'll do head circles. In order to do that, we'll bring our hands behind our back with the fingers pointing down. And then we'll start circling our head going one way. Breathing into any tension that you can feel while you're doing your head circles. Releasing that tension. And then we'll go the other way, so reversing the direction. Again, breathing into any area where it feels a bit tight while you're doing your head circles. Releasing that tension. Letting go. And then we'll return to the center, releasing our arms. Notice how you feel. Notice if you can feel your chest and your upper body a little bit more open. Then we'll do opening the flow, so we'll allow our hands to float up to about shoulder height, and then allowing our hands to float back down. Breathing in as the hands come up, and breathing out as they flow back down. Breathing in and out. In and out. And then we'll do a few more in our own time. Relaxing into the movement, allowing your hands to just flow. We'll do 2 more. And last one, breathing in and breathing out, allowing our hands to relax back down. We'll bring our feet together and we'll do pulling down the heavens. So breathing in, our hands float up, and breathing out as the hands come back down through the center. Breathing in and breathing out. We'll do a few more in our own time. Balancing our practice, sealing it all off, all the goodness that we've done. And we'll do 3 more. And one last one, breathing in and breathing out, allowing our hands to come back to our sides. Notice how you feel. And feel free to do this routine every day to give yourself that positive boost. As always, feel free to share this video with your friends and family. And if you want to help me out, please like the video and I'll see you next time. Bye!